Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the January 2023 Double Shot Kit. Can you believe that it's a new year? We are so happy that you joined us here at the Scrap Room. And this month with our Double Shot Kit, you're going to get two gorgeous collections. This is Day in the Life from Echo Park, so that's their year-round collection. And then Photo Play Paper Winter Chalet, this gorgeous winter collection. Along with your kit, you're also going to get access to two recipe cards. These are double page layouts that are designed by our design team, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then there's a color photograph so that you can follow right along with them. You'll also have access to this exclusive cut file, this one right here. So this is a floral cupcake. These are designed exclusively for our subscribers by Cut to You. So be sure to get all of your free downloads. If you would like more product, check out the flavors of the month. I'll talk more about that at the end and give you some links. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. The first collection we're going to look at is from Echo Park, and this is Day in the Life. So like I said in the intro, this is their year-round collection. So there's a paper for each month, but it works for everything. So you're going to love this. It's beautiful colors and the dark navy blue, the pinks, and then those touches of yellow, that yellow gold. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of Blossom. This paper is the April paper, which is this beautiful floral. The back is the cut apart. So the cut apart sheets all look alike. There's always a month card, so you could use it for that. You could also use it for a photo mat. And then there are 4x4s and 3x4s. But you can tell you can use this for a lot more than just the month of April. This one is September's paper, which is just a grid graph paper in blue. And again, you'll see that same formatting. We have the September up here, but everything else can be used for any kind of documenting. Planner, cookbook, always be kind, a checklist. I love all the journaling spots on these papers. This paper is December, and it's that dark navy blue, and there's a real faint plus sign in there. The back again, that December card, and then your 3x4 and 4x4 cut aparts. Love these beautiful florals. So one more look at your patterned papers. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped floral border down here. Record player, the truck with the florals in the back, little word labels. I love the typewriter here and the telephone. It's just all about documenting memories. So that is Echo Park, Day in the Life. Our next collection is Winter Chalet from Photo Play Paper, and this is gorgeous. It's got that dark navy blue and the turquoise. We've got florals and winter icons and scenes. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Storm cardstock, 1 sheet of Aqua. Your pattern paper is this one called Snowy Floral. So you see that dark blue and aqua on that light aqua background. It's just gorgeous. The back is a blue navy print. This paper, Warm Winter Wishes, is the white Christmas trees on that aqua background. And it's a cut apart sheet, so we have a 4x6, 2 of those, and then some 3x4s. Walking in a Winter Wonderland. I love that little house. It's just gorgeous. Everything is magical after it snows. We go together like winter in a sweater. We have this paper called Stay Cozy, which is a beautiful dark wood grain. And the back is this plaid with all of the colors you're going to see in this collection. So one more look at that patterned paper. For your embellishments, it's again a 12x12 sticker sheet. I love these because it gives you so many options. So we have a really wide border with a small scallops. That is really pretty. With all of these winter icons, we have pine cones and little mittens and snowflakes, and there's little deer. We have the large title, Winter and Chill, and then smaller ones that you could tuck in. I love this little barn here. 'Tis the season to be freezing, where the treetops glisten. So just a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. So that is Winter Chalet from Photo Play Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out the Flavors of the Month if you'd like more collections. That one has 4. We have the Shots of Life, which is geared towards pocket page scrapbooking, as well as a card kit. So check out the links here below. Join us over at the Facebook group and the blog. Join in on some challenges and share what you're creating and look at what everybody else is creating. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.